So today we will discuss a question about this treatment of this compound in presence of alkali, and question is what is the final product. So I have given seven options, so you have to select what is the product of this reaction. So before going to details, I suggest you please pause the video and try by yourself. It is highly essential that you please try by yourself such that you can check, evaluate your knowledge, and later on I will definitely explain. So that will be a dual benefit for you. Okay, so I believe you have paused the video and you have tried. So let me explain the answer. So in this case, this reaction, what will be the final product? Actually, this reaction is reverse aldol condensation reaction. Okay, so reverse aldol condensation reaction. So now I will explain. So before going to details, I will give you one answer. This will be the product. Okay, I will explain, and rest of thing will not be product. Let me explain step by step. Why not? So see, this is alkali. This is a alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. So expected that alkali can attack here. Fine. This, but reaction will not stop here. At next stage, it will undergo ring opening. Okay. So this is not the product. This is one of the intermediate you may consider, but reaction will stop here. Reason, this ring strain, 4-member ring have some strain, so molecule prefers to remove or get rid of from the ring strain. Fine. This is the reaction, means two molecule aldol condensation reaction. So means that vinyl Locus property shifting, then nucleophilic attack, but this will not, because alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, this carbonyl compound is not that much strong electron deficient. Second, see, it was a sp2 center, it's a very strain molecule. After nucleophilic attack, it is a sp3 carbon. So strain is released, again strain will be generated. That's a difficult thing. So this is similar thing, aldol condensation using this proton. Sorry, this proton, but it is also not that much acidic and generally property shifted to vinyl Locus side. So this will not occur. This will not occur. What is left? Left is that produce this molecule will react to this. But that is also, when a stable compound, there is a chance of production of stable compound. Why this unstable will remain? This part means this cyclobutane derivative part, so it will not. See, this is a shifting of double bond, means that one proton from this shifted to this such that double bond. But see, conjugation is destroyed, so stabilization reduced. So this is also not. And another thing, when there is a chance of a very stable product formation, why the reaction will unnecessarily follow some unstable products. Okay, so this is the overall justification why the other thing will not happen, but this 1,3 dicarbonyl compound will be the product. So now we will discuss how this 1,3 dicarbonyl compound is produced during the reaction. Okay, so this is the structure of this. Let me write here such that it will be useful for you to understand. Okay, so this compound is also named as acetyl acetone. Okay, so now let's discuss the process of this reaction. So what happens? As I told, this is alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. So it is expected it will attack. It will come this. Second, it will come back and proton will be attached to this. So I have already uploaded a video about the understanding of alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. So I request you, if you have any problem or confusion in understanding, please go through that video, properties and reactivity of alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Please visit, it will be helpful. So this is, now in next step, it push, it go. So what it will result? This will result. By the way, I always suggest you please, first of all, you listen, that is fine, but along with that you write by yourself, because when you write you learn more. So that is helpful for your knowledge. So in next step, see, in the previous reaction means this alcohol attached. So this is not simple OH minus. This is a aqueous solution. Okay. So what happened is this proton could be abstracted from here, and see from here cation alkali is generated. Okay. So ultimately what is the what is produced? This is the double bond, this is the methyl, and this is OH. See, this is nothing but beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. This is alpha, this is beta, and we know that there is one famous disconnection approach. Disconnection approach is HOCC, means that first of all this bond will come here and it will go. What do I mean? So you may think the situation in this way, that C double bond O. So this is the electrophile, this carbon center, and carbon minus, so this is the nucleophile. Okay. Fine. Now see, if you do that disconnection approach, so this bond will open up, retroaldol condensation, so negative charge will come here. Okay, so in presence of base, what happens? This base will abstract this proton, then this O minus will be generated. Means let me draw, it will be helpful. So this is O minus, this is methyl, this is, means you may consider that just the addition product of enolate to carbonyl, alkoxide is generated. In next step, it will push, it will open. So what's the product? The product is, this is the methyl, double bond O. Okay, and in such case I always recommend draw exactly the same structure. Don't change. This is the structure we got. Now it's time that let's rearrange and write the molecule. Because what bond is broken? This bond, so negative charge went, everything is same. So it will reduce the chance of mistake. So now you do that, and during your examination, if you write in this way and final time you end up mistake, you can get some marks from the teacher because you have attempted in a right way. So that's a very good strategy for exam also. So this is the methyl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3. This is 4 carbon C double bond O, and 5 CH2 minus. So see, there is a water molecule produced, and so ultimately this water molecule can means the proton could be abstract from the water molecule, and ultimately what it can result? It can result in this CH3. So this is nothing but this final acetyl acetone. So this is the overall discussion. I know that this is little easy, but such type of problem, it is very difficult to predict how this is the final product, because cyclobutane ring system is little difficult. When ring come and this molecule shows some abnormal properties because of its ring strength. So that's why I believe we must practice such kind of problem. That's why I have given this problem. So this is the end of this discussion. I hope that you have learned a lot from this study. So if you really learned a lot, please mention in the comment box. Is it helpful for you or not, or any improvement is essential for you or not? Please mention. Feel free to mention in the comment box. So, and at the end, if you really it's helpful for you, please help my channel to grow. First of all, subscribe my channel Chemistry the Mystery of Molecule, and please press the bell icon to get all the notification of every single video I upload. Secondly, share this video among your friends so that many people could be benefited from my effort. And most importantly, please like the video and write some good comment, because it inspires a lot. So thank you again. Stay happy, stay blessed. God bless you.